Why are you just sitting there, Mr. Chaos? What's up? What's up this morning? What do you want? Oh, you think you want a snack? You think you want a snack? Huh? You want a snack? Can you come here? Oh, you're going to do it now. Good boy. Can you speak? Chaos, speak. 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 Buddy, speak. Chaos, speak. Speak. Good boy, yes. Good speak. Oh, in the burp? You're going to speak in the burp? Should we do another one? Can you wait? Come here. Okay, come. Sit. Good boy. What a paw. Paw. Oh, good paw. Yes. Good boy. Can you come side? Can you come heel? Cass, come heel? No. No. Okay. Well, you really don't deserve. You really didn't do what I asked. But watch. Miley will do it. Miley, come here. Come heel. Come heel. Good girl. Come front. Come front. Come side. Come side. No, that is totally down. Oh, good grief. What about you, Mr. Chaos? What can you do? You always sit so nice. You're going to take the snack. Oh, and you're going to take it instead of me inserting it in your mouth. That's a good boy. What you guys think today? She really wants to play with you, Mr. Bubby. But you don't want to play? Do you want to play? No. She wants to play with you this morning, and you're not playing. You're staring at the treat bag. You think you should have more? Is that it? You think you should have more? Oh, were you going to lie down? Can you down? Oh, you did, but you didn't have room. That's what you usually do. You usually complain about it, but do it. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Can we do a close-up? Can we do a close-up? Ooh, look at those eyes. Oh, boop! You're a good boy. What about you, Miss Marley? Oh, slide down. Oh. You guys are so cute. Look at you guys. Should you get a free snack? I think you guys deserve a free snack. We'll see what else we plan to do today. I don't know. We should do something fun. I don't know what. I give it some thought. What you thinking, little popster? Huh? You want to say goodnight to everybody? Huh? Is it night time? Has it been a gray, gloomy day? Huh? Yeah, it's important to spend time with you guys. It is. Yes. We want to thank you for watching today. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new, please subscribe. Please share us with your friends. And remember to like and comment as well. And enjoy each day that you have with those you love, because life is too short. And until next time, see you later.